Welcome back to BPS Detailing. So, I just wanted to make a quick video showing a way to get a little bit more life out of a foam polishing pad. So, right here, this is a brand new pad, never been used from Rupes. It's their UHS Ultra Hard Surface polishing pad. And this is actually the same exact pad. This one has just been thrashed. It's been used a ton. I don't even know how many cycles of polishing and cleaning it's been through, but it's a lot. So what I do is I've just got a razor blade scraper here, and as you can see, I've already done half of it. So this part is the part that obviously hasn't been refurbished, and you can see right there how much just extra foam is sticking out everywhere. And so you've got all of this foam here, and it's the same the whole way through, right? So really you're only using this top part to do any actual work. And so it's what's taking all the abuse. You're filling it up with your compound and your polish, and you're putting it on your paint, and then you are, using either a compressed air or a brush and trying to brush out all of the paint and polish out of this thing every time. And you're doing that over and over, and then washing it, and you're putting some sort of pad cleaner or dish soap or something of the sort on here and trying to get the stuff back out of it. So these just take a ton of abuse, and this one has taken a ton of abuse, of course. You can see, just like, look at the size difference. These are the same size pad, and this thing looks like it's about an inch smaller just because it's been worn down so badly. So, getting ready to throw this thing out, but just by taking a razor scraper and scraping off part of that layer, you're essentially creating a new pad, because, like I said, it's the same foam, and you're just taking off the part that has already been used. So the main thing is you just want to just scrape off the top, and you want to try to get it as even as possible so it still stays nice and flat. Even though that's not a huge deal, because they even make pads that are kind of look like eggshells, where they've got all the points sticking up, and then when you apply any pressure to it, it just flattens out anyway. So it's not a huge deal. But all I do here to fix this up is I've got the scraper, and I flip it kind of upside down so it's flat, and then I can get an even scrape on it, and then you just scrape off all this excess. See, if you're careful about it and you get it nice and even, then you'll just end up getting a lot more life out of your pad. And I think it's a great option. I've never seen any video like this before of anyone showing any sort of process like this, but there's no reason you shouldn't do it. And if you think the pad is truly dead, all you got to do is polish with it, and if it's not working anymore, then you can throw it out. But this should add a ton of life to this pad for me. And since it started out as a really thick pad, you still got plenty of cushion to work with. And this pad in particular is extremely dense. So like I've shown it on another video. So losing a little bit of the depth is not going to matter much with this type of pad. If you got a lot softer pad, this might not even work. This process, it might not, it might just, you might not be able to fix it at all if it's a lighter polishing pad, because if you go to try to scrape it, you just won't be able to. It just won't work. It'll probably just indent, and then you'll end up cutting a hole through your pad, and then you'll have to throw it out. So this is you're only going to want to do this on heavier cutting pads, at least medium to heavier cutting with a dense compound, and do it once you're ready to throw it out. Once it's not working as well, or it's flaking pieces off, then go ahead and try this method out and see if it works for you. It works for me, so I thought I'd share it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Hit the like and subscribe.